Bill Goudy checking in. I think I got up about 3 o'clock in the morning. Generator started sounding funny. Yeah, the exhaust pipe broke. And it was coming right out of the head. It was too dark. I just had a small light. So I didn't bring you along on that, but so my generator's down. Now I'm back onto the solar energy. I shut it off at 3 o'clock this morning. That's all right. I mean, I really wasn't using anything. I like to recharge my batteries and everything, so they had a pretty good charge by that time. But that means I don't have a generator, so I'm gonna go out and try to catch some fish and head on back home and see if I can repair the damage. Yeah. All right, Big Goudy out for now. Well, look at this. I had to weld that. I think these bolts that hold this in came loose, and then all the weight was supported right there, and that caused that to break. I'm hoping that that's all it's going to be. I'm going to put some new bolts in there. So these are where the two bolts mount to hold the mounting to actually hold that muffler in place. And what happened is those vibrated loose, and then that thing just sitting there shaking. And these two bolts up here hold that flange. Well, all that weight came on that pipe. Shooting flame. That was shooting flame about, I don't know, 3 inches of blue flame out of there. That was pretty, but it was awful noisy. This should fix that. I'm going to put some quality bolts back in here and really crank them down. I think I'll use those locking nuts with the, what do they call those fiber nuts. If you look, can you look and see? Look at the threads are all gone. That's been loose for quite a while and I didn't know it. As good as new, maybe better.